going to show you how to clean your Russian SKS 762. Cleaning kit's located in the back of the stock. Just give it a push and it'll pop right out. In the cleaning kit it comes with a brush, there, and a pick, there. And it's supposed to have a little swivel for your pads, but it didn't come with the swivel. The bar for the brush is located under the barrel of the gun, in between the bayonet and the barrel. You have to disengage the bayonet so it's hanging free. It'll take the tension off the rod, so then you can pull it at the front. The brush screws right on there.
Police couldn't be sure if this was BTK. The murder didn't fit with the killer's normal pattern. There was a discernible ritual, not a discernible MO.
You can start by taking out the action of the gun. There's a little lever at the very back of the gun, just above the trigger. Give that a firm pull up. Stick it directly 90 degrees. You can start to wiggle it, and it'll wiggle free. Once you feel it go all the way out, you'll be able to release the rear of the action. The spring will come right out. It's engaging the trigger mechanism, so that's why there's a little bit of tension there. You can pull it right out, and it all comes right apart.
If Marine Hedge had been killed by BTK, it meant that he was prepared to wait for years to find the right victim.
To take the gas action off, there's another little lever. You'll pull just to the left of the sights. If you pull that up to the second little bulb, get everything out of the way.
As Mrs. Davis slept, someone hurled a concrete block through the glass door of her home.
Slip it right up, and then I'll pull off. Oh, and the gas piston comes out the back. Gas piston's supposed to be inside the chamber. So if you actually slide that into this chamber here, that's where it's supposed to be. The piston's supposed to be to the front end of the gun. You can see it'll slide right out.
They suspected she was another victim of BTK. He left no evidence, there were no witnesses.
So there it is. Now, in behind that, there's a sprung piston. You have to push it in and keep turning until. Make sure your finger's there, because if you do, it'll keep flying out. You can see the spring on there. Take the trigger system out. Fine. Pop the clip, and then you can disengage. There's a little button to the back of the trigger, just on the outside of the guard. See, it's right there. And that's what the pick's really nice for. You just give it a press down. Oh, the safety has to be off too. You'll notice if you press and the safety's on, it won't go. Give it a light press, and then it'll click, and then it'll pop right out. That's your trigger mechanism. And now your clip's going to be free too. Just give it a little tug. Come right out. Now the stock's actually free from the barrel. Just a little snug. Gonna give it a bang or something. Pull right out. Pops off. And that's it. You're left with the barrel and the bayonet, stock, and all your pieces. Super easy.